Welcome to Meditation Made Easy, a 3-step meditation for beginners. There are all types of meditations, from contemplative meditations to guided meditations to deity meditations, meditations for manifestation, meditations for health and wellness, mindfulness meditation, vipassana meditation. So where do you begin? In this meditation, you'll learn a very simple 3-step method for beginning a traditional meditation practice. The benefit of beginning with this type of meditation practice is that it's simple, and it's one that's appropriate for anyone at any time, and you'll not only get spiritual benefits like communing with the divine, you'll also reap the mental and emotional benefits of meditation, such as stress reduction, tapping into inner calm and peace, and emotional resilience. Before you begin your meditation practice, you'll need to prepare by having a few essential things in place. First, you'll need to be in a quiet space with no disturbances. Second, you'll want a proper seat, either a chair that you can sit in with your feet flat on the floor, or a meditation bench or cushion that you can use for sitting on the floor in meditation position. And 3, you can optionally have an altar with items on it, such as incense, a candle, an image of a guru or someone that inspires you. A flower, water, fruit, and stones are all items that can be placed on your altar. When done properly and with practice, this 3-step meditation moves you gradually inward from your physical body to your pranic body to your mental body and finally to the astral or causal body. The 3 steps of this meditation practice are relaxation, concentration, and expansion. I'll guide you through each of these steps, spending about 5 minutes in each step for a total of 15 minutes. As you become more familiar and comfortable with this 3-step framework, you can extend your meditation time to 7 minutes for each step for a total of 21 minutes, and then extend your meditation time to 10 minutes for each step for a total of 30 minutes. So if you're ready, let's begin. Step 1, relaxation. So just finding yourself comfortably seated. If you're on a chair, your feet are flat on the floor. Your back is away from the back of your chair, and your palms faced upward on your thighs. If you're in meditation position on the floor with your legs crossed, you can put your hands on your thighs, palms faced up, and just drop your chin slightly towards your chest, so that you can lengthen your spine from the base of your spine to the crown of your head. We'll begin with a double breath in through the nose, and you'll tense your entire body, holding your breath, and then you'll do a double exhale through your mouth, releasing all your tension. We'll do this 3 times. So let's begin. Double breath in through the nose. Hold and tense your entire body. Hold, 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 and double exhale through the mouth. Releasing all your tension. Again, double breath in through your nose. Tense and hold, squeezing every muscle in your body. And double exhale through the mouth, throwing out all your tension. Again, double breath in through the nose, tense and hold the breath, tense your body, and double exhale through the mouth, releasing all your tension. And just allowing yourself to relax. And you can begin by scanning your body for any remaining tension or tightness that you might be holding on to. And using your breath, simply breathing in to any remaining tension and tightness, and exhaling as you sense, feel, or imagine any remaining tension, tightness, or contraction melting away. Perhaps begin by scanning your face and all the muscles in your face, around your eyes and jaw, using your breath to dislodge any remaining tension or tightness that remains there. Scanning down your neck and shoulders, your arms and hands. Breathing into any remaining tension, tightness, or contraction, and just letting it go with your exhale. Scanning your torso, your lower back, hips, and legs. Noticing any remaining tension, tightness, or contraction. Using your breath to just let it go on your exhale. As you do a final scan down your lower legs and feet, releasing any tension that remains in your body, using your breath, your exhale, to melt away any remaining tension, tightness, or contraction that you might be experiencing. And just noticing that as your body relaxes, your mind can relax. And as your mind relaxes, your body can relax even more. Step 2, concentration. Now just becoming aware of your breath. Noticing where your breath goes as you breathe in and where it goes as you breathe out. And just becoming aware of the way in which your breath is like a bridge between your outer world and your inner world. Just paying attention to your breath. Perhaps becoming aware of the cooling sensation at your nostrils with every inhale, and the warming sensation at your nostrils with every exhale. staying focused on your breath, knowing that wherever the breath goes, the mind flows, and that calming your breath will calm your mind. And now gradually sense or feel or imagine that you can bring your breath into your spine, and that with each inhale you can imagine the breath moving up from the base of your spine all the way up to the crown of your head, and with each exhale you can sense or feel or imagine the breath descending back down the spine. Inhaling the breath up the spine and exhaling the breath down the spine. You may begin to sense or feel the breath as a tingling sensation or a warm sensation as it moves up and down your spine. Or you may even wish to imagine a color that moves up and down your spine with each inhale and each exhale. And on your next inhale, bringing the breath all the way up to your third eye, that point just between your eyes, behind the bridge of your nose. And sensing, feeling, or imagining that you can begin to inhale and exhale through this energy center, your third eye, the sixth chakra. As you inhale, you may sense an expansion, a subtle expansion, and as you exhale, you may sense or experience a subtle contraction of that energy center. Step 3, expansion. And now, slowly bringing your attention to the pauses between each inhale and exhale, without changing the rhythm of your breath, just bringing your awareness to the pause between the inhale and the exhale. Feeling the spaciousness and the expansion in those pauses. If you notice any thoughts or emotions coming up, just allow them to be there and bring your attention to the space between the thoughts, between the breaths. And let yourself rest in those moments of expansion. And once again, bringing your attention to your breath, allowing your breath to be the bridge between your inner world and your outer world. And slowly with each breath, bringing yourself a little bit closer to your outer world. Perhaps noticing the surface underneath you, wiggling your fingers and toes a little bit. Stretching through your body, and in your own timing, finding your way back into the room and opening your eyes. Thank you for joining me today in this simple 3-step meditation practice. May you be happy and may you be well. Namaste.